daal terich.
That is called as a extrinsic semiconductor. Okay. Extrinsic semiconductors. So those are the intrinsic semiconductor. The pure form of semiconductor is impaired with the pentavalent or trivalent impurities. It is called as a extrinsic semiconductor. So already we know that intrinsic semiconductor అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ the pure form of semiconductors. So it contains same electrons, same holes. So that will case or suppose holes we have a number of 4 and electrons also 4. So these are recombined, minus and plus. These are recombined and connected. It will give the low amount of current, low current. So మనకి ఏం కావాలి? So actually we need to receive the highest amount of current from the semiconductors. So highest amount of current కావాలి కాబట్టి. So we are going to use extrinsic semiconductors, and as well as conductor is going to increase the conductivity of the semiconductor. So normal గా intrinsic semiconductor అయితే ఏంటి less current ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది అండ్ కండక్టివిటీ కూడా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో దాన్ని అవాయిడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి మనం ఏమేం చేస్తున్నాం, ఎక్స్టెన్సిక్ సెమీ కండక్టర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇన్ ఎక్స్టెన్సిక్ సెమీ కండక్టర్స్ వీఆర్ యాడింగ్ ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ టు ఏ ప్యూర్ సెమీ కండక్టర్స్. ఓకే, యాడింగ్ impurities to pure semiconductors. So adding impurities is called as a doping. So doping is adding impurities to the pure semiconductors. So here the impurities are trivalent and pentavalent impurities. Trivalent and pentavalent impurities. The trivalent impurities are group 3 elements. Pentavalent impurities are group 5 elements. Okay, so where the silicon and germanium is located, group 3 or 4 or 5.
Group 4, sir.
In the group 3, 4 and 5, so germanium and silicon, these are the pure semiconductor materials. Here we are adding impurities to a semiconductors. So ఈ pure form of semiconductors కి మనం ఏం చేయాలి, pentavalent లేకపోతే, so it is a pentavalent, it is a trivalent. Group 3 is called as a 5 is called as a pentavalent impurities. Okay, so in order to get a high conductivity, so we need to add trivalent impurities and pentavalent impurities. So actually this contains, germanium contains 4 holes and 4 electrons. For suppose it is a 4 holes and it is 3 electrons, and how much, 3 ki 3 ఉన్నాయి, 4 ki 4 ఉన్నాయి, 5 ki same 5 electrons. So it consists of 4 holes and these are the electrons. Okay, so germanium and silicon contains holes, 4 holes, and the trivalent impurities having 3 electrons, pentavalent impurities having 5 electrons. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so actually we have the covalent bands and we have the atomic structure of germanium or semiconductor materials. So here the germanium, so we can use as silicon also. So we can use silicon also, and both are same. Those are the semiconductor materials. So it is a extrinsic semiconductors. Okay, so in extrinsic semiconductors we are adding trivalent impurities and pentavalent impurities. So what are the trivalent impurities here? Trivalent impurities are boron,
Boron, aluminium, indium.
boron,
Sir.
aluminium, indium, and gallium. So these are the trivalent impurities. And next, pentavalent impurities: nitrogen, phosphorus,
Phosphorus.
arsenide, antimony, bismuth. These are the pentavalent impurities. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. So trivalent impurities are aluminium, indium, gallium, and boron. Next, pentavalent impurities are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenide, antimony, bismuth. So these are the pentavalent impurities. ఓకే, సో నార్మల్ గా మనం దేనికి యాడ్ చేయాలి? సిలికాన్, జర్మేనియం కి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి ఈ ట్రైవాలెంట్ ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ ని, పెంటావాలెంట్ ఇంప్యూరిటీస్. ఓకే, సో pentavalent impurities are donor impurities. Pentavalent impurities are called donor impurities. And trivalent impurities are acceptor impurities. So pentavalent is called as a donor and trivalent is called as a acceptor. So why it is called donor and acceptor? So pentavalent consists of 5 electrons, trivalent consists of 3 electrons. Actually, how many electrons we required?
8.
Only 4. Okay, group 4 kabatti only 4. Right? So required electrons is only 4. Okay, but here we have only 3 in trivalent and pentavalent and 5 in pentavalent. So ఒకటి ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం? డోనర్ అంటున్నాం. అండ్ ఒకటి తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి సో డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as the acceptor. Okay, so what are the differences? What do you know about intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors? Tell me now. Intrinsic, it is a pure semiconductor. It is a pure semiconductor. And next, extrinsic.
Impurities plus.
Impurities added.
Okay, impurities is added. So it is a pure semiconductor and it is a impure semiconductor. Next, so at 0 temperature, it will become a insulator. Semiconductor. So at 0 temperature, it is act as a insulator. So here we don't have any change, no change. So it is working in any conditions. So here the conductivity increases. Intrinsic semiconductor, the conductivity increases with respect to temperature. Conductivity with respect to temperature. Okay, so here in extrinsic semiconductor, conduction is possible at a room temperature also. Okay, conduction in 27 degrees also. Next, so number of holes and electrons. Number of holes and electrons. Number of holes and electrons is equal. number of holes and electrons are equal. And in extrinsic semiconductors, ఈ తర్వాత డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. We have one more topic. So అది తెలుస్తుంది. Okay. Is any doubts regarding these two topics? Intrinsic semiconductor. ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉందా?
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
In remaining?
No, sir.
Okay. So how the current conduction takes place? How the current conduction takes place in semiconductors?
Half. Sir, between conductors and insulators.
How the current conduction? How the current is formed? Suppose if you are taking any device, ఏదైనా డివైస్ తీసుకోండి. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఫ్యాన్ లేకపోతే లైట్ ఏదైనా తీసుకోండి. సో ఈ ఫ్యాన్కి ఏం కావాలి? ఈ ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది, మైనస్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇవి రెండు అప్లై చేస్తేనే కదా మనకు వచ్చేది. ఫ్యాన్ ఎప్పుడు నడుస్తుంది? ఎప్పుడు వర్క్ అవుతుంది? ఈ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడే. పాజిటివ్ ఇచ్చేసి నెగిటివ్ వదిలేస్తే ఫ్యాన్ నడుస్తుందా? అర్థమవుతుంది ఎగ్జాంపుల్? ఫర్ సపోజ్ any device, any electrical device, if you are applying electricity to that device, so how many terminals you are going to give? Any terminal system I?
Two terminals.
Two terminals ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నాం? So that should have the minimum current. So ఒక టెర్మినల్ ఇచ్చేస్తే మనకు కరెంట్ వస్తుందా? రాదు. So there should be a positive and negative. These both are important. So positive is nothing here. In electronics, we have hole. Positive ions is nothing but holes, and negative ions is nothing but electrons. So the recombination of electrons and holes is called as the recombination of holes and electrons is going to create a electricity or current. Okay. So how the current conduction takes place ante the recombination of holes and electrons. Right? So how many electrons we have in trivalent impurities?
3.
What about number 4?
4.
Only 4.
4.
And 5 consists of 5 electrons. Okay, so actually we require only 4 electrons only. So in order to conduct the semiconductor, right? ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎనర్జీ గ్యాప్ ఫర్ జర్మేనియం? ఎనర్జీ బ్యాండ్ గ్యాప్ ఫర్ జర్మేనియం?
0.7.
ఫర్ సిలికాన్?
1.1.
1.1 electron volts. Very good. Okay. So depend upon the impurity is added to extrinsic semiconductors. So these extrinsic semiconductors have been divided into two types. So according to the impurities, the extrinsic semiconductors are classified into two. So what are the first one? Type and P type. Okay, so these are the N type and E type. So normally semiconductors are divided into two types, intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors, and extrinsic semiconductor again divided into two types, N type and P type. So let us consider P type. P type semiconductors. So P types consist of number of holes. So here the majority is holes. Holes is greater than electrons. Holes is greater than electrons. Okay, so here we are adding trivalent impurities to the pure semiconductor. Trivalent impurities to pure semiconductor, and that will forms the p-type semiconductor. So each and every germanium and silicon having 4 atoms. Okay, so these 4 atoms. So this for these 4 atoms, how many electrons we required?
Sir,
For these 4 atoms, how many electrons required?
0. 4.
For suppose it is a holes, atoms is nothing but holes. So how many electrons are required?
4 electrons.
4 electrons. Okay, very good. 4 atoms is nothing but 4 holes. For these 4 holes, we require 4 electrons. Okay. For the trivalent impurities having only 3 electrons. So such as boron, లేకపోతే aluminium, లేకపోతే gallium, whatever. Here we are going to add boron, aluminium and gallium. So mostly we are adding only borons and aluminium. Okay, right? So this is the atomic structure of p-type semiconductors. P-type semiconductors. So each germanium, so having 4 covalent bands. So each and every germanium is having a 4 covalent bands. And here we need to add boron to any covalent bonds. సో ఇక్కడ జెర్మేనియం ఉంది కదా, సో ఈ జెర్మేనియం ప్రతి ఒక్కటి 4 కోవాలెంట్ బ్యాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి. 4 కోవాలెంట్ బ్యాండ్స్ మీన్స్ 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 covalent bonds for each and every germanium atoms. Okay, so this consists of holes. So these are holes, right? So these are holes. And here we need to add boron atoms. Right? So boron atoms ekkada chestam? For suppose middle lo cheskunnam anukondi. So here we are adding boron atoms. So boron atom kabatti, so ikkada holes fill avutunnayi, ikkada ee hole fill avutundi, ee hole fill avutundi. So what about this hole? Ardhamaitundi kada. So actually germanium having 4 holes, and actually next boron having only 3 electrons. Inka remaining how many holes untayi ikkada manaki? Enni untayi holes? So each and every hole is recombined with the electron, right? Okay. Actually this germanium atom consists of this one hole, second hole, third hole and fourth. So if you are adding the impurity, so here the impurity is boron. So boron consists of 3 electrons, and 4 holes ki any 3 electrons added. So how many holes are remaining now?
1.
Only 1. So this is the one hole. Okay, so this is the one hole. Okay, so this one hole creates a number of million of okay, so this hole creates a millions of holes. ఈ ఒక్క హోల్ ఇది ఒక రిమైనింగ్ ఒకటి మిగిలింది కాబట్టి, సో దిస్ హోల్ is going to create so millions of holes. The p-type semiconductor consists of holes. Okay, so holes is much greater than electrons. Just ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం, ప్యూర్ కి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, 4 కోవాలెంట్ బ్యాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఈ 4 కోవలెన్స్ బ్యాండ్స్ కి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, బోరాన్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో బోరాన్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, బోరాన్ కి ఓన్లీ 3 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో 3 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ వల్ల 4 - 3 అంటే ఎన్ని, సో వీ హ్యావ్ రిమైనింగ్ 1 హోల్. ఆ హోల్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, సో అది మన లెక్కనే ఒకటి ఖరాబ్ అయితే మొత్తం అందరినీ ఖరాబ్ చేసినట్టు ఇక్కడ కూడా. సో దట్ విల్ క్రియేట్ మిలియన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ హోల్స్. సో ఫర్ దట్ రీజన్ ఈ హోల్ క్రియేట్ చేసింది కాబట్టి, సో ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ద హోల్ మెజారిటీ ఇన్ p type semiconductor, and it is also going to create electricity in semiconductors. Is this clear?
Okay, sir.
ఇంకా
Yes, sir.
నేను ఇంకా అని అడుగుతానే చెప్తారా మీరు? ఈ హోల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ బ్యాండ్ ఏమన్నా అర్థమవుతున్నాయి అసలు మీకు? ఇప్పటి వరకు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వని వాళ్ళు అయితే ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో కొంచెం అవ్వండి. రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండడం స్టైల్ కాదు కదా. ఇవాళ రేపు మాట్లాడుతున్న స్టైల్.